Okay, so I have a mixer here. It's plugged in, switched on, but it's not actually powered on at the device. There are no outputs, no connections to my speakers. It's only connected to a unplugged TD3, and it's making this fucking loud noise. And it's not touching any other cables whatsoever. It's a turned off device, switched off at the wall. One of its inputs routed through to it, and it's making this ridiculous noise. I could have a set of speakers in the other room. I don't know why it's making a noise on these speakers. So, take this out. Bizarre. This is completely disconnected, unplugged. Now it's making noise on speakers where it's not even connected. There's no Bluetooth. I don't know how it's making that sound. There's no cables touching any other cables.